front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, you need to have screen lock on. Without it, you won't be able to add face data. So when you're ready, go into settings, scroll to click on security and privacy, and then scroll again to tap on device unlock. Now, if you have screen lock, tap on face and fingerprint unlock section instantly and choose face unlock right under screen lock. Then enter your current login method. Hit start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from the screen after hitting next in attention pop-up. Then name your face data however you want to and hit OK. Tap on Done. Manage all of those options and most importantly, make sure the switcher next to unlock using face data is blue. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. Either way now, when I switch off my screen, turn it on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!